Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Mimi Melly, the creator of CreateKingdomPlans. And today we're going to be taking a look at my studying Bible, brand new in my Etsy shop. This is going to be a really quick flip through, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the cover. It says Studying Bible, and at the bottom it says Psalms and Proverbs. This Studying Bible only includes these two books of the Bible to help you really break it down when you're reading and to make sure that you read all of the chapters. If you click on the spine, on the rings, I should say, it will bring you to the next page. At the side, you can see that there's not as much space on the cover, but inside of the Bible journal, there's a little space so that you can include some notes and sticky notes. I'll show you that later. The very top of the first page said this studying Bible belongs to, and you have some space there, and you have your paper. There's graph paper, line paper, so on, and then you have widget stickers and meditation. At the very bottom, you have some links where you can connect with me on my socials. And this version of the Bible is WEB, so yes. My logo is located on the corner. If you click on it, it will bring you back to that page every single time. Okay, so now let's get to clicking on my hyperlinks. So when you click here, you go to your graph paper. Each circle connects you back to different paper. So we have graph paper, we have lined paper, we have blank paper, and we have half lined and half blank so that you can really get into writing your notes and journaling and illustrating and doing all that good stuff. Okay, so when we click on widgets, we have a couple of widgets that are included. Of course, you can use any widgets with your Bible, your studying Bible. You also get some stickers preloaded. If you are using the GoodNotes file, that'll already be in there. So that's really fun. You get a bunch of those, and you have a meditation section, which includes a meditation template. Okay, once you're inside the Studying Bible, the rings will always bring you back to the Psalms page where there's two tabs at the very top. So there's Psalms and Proverbs at the top, and you can click interchangeably and get into the different chapters. So for example, let's go into Proverbs 26. As you can see, as soon as you click on the top, it brings you back to Proverbs. Same thing with Psalms. If I click on Psalms 54, let's just do a quick zoom in. You see how clear each verse is. You can highlight, write notes, add stickers at the side. You have plenty of room. And every time you click on that chapter, it brings you right back to where you started from. So it's very easy to navigate. And here's an example of how I highlighted and did some little squigglies. So yes, I want to show you how to add little stickers. So here's some elements that I have already saved, and I have a little sticky note. You can add it right into your studying Bible, or you can even add it to the side here, which is why I have this little section here, which is kind of like a corkboard background, so that you can just add some sticky notes, add some notes for that chapter if you'd like. Each link is super lightning speed. You can get to things very quickly, and you can really have fun with it, decorate it, highlight it, study the Bible, and really get to know Jesus. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get this studying Bible for yourself. The link will be in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. See you in the next one. Bye.